In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Webex account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Webex User Hub. This is the main place where you can manage your Webex account settings, including personal account options. Once the page loads, sign into your Webex account using your login details. After you're logged in, look for your profile section and click on it. This is where Webex stores your personal account settings and preferences. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct account before moving forward, especially if you use more than one account for work or personal use. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. The delete option is not usually placed at the top, so you may need to move through the page carefully until you reach the lower section of your account settings. Once you get to the bottom, you should see the option labeled Delete My Account. Click on that option to continue. This action will take you to the final step of the account removal process. Finally, click on Delete My Account again to confirm your choice. This second click is important because it tells Webex that you want to permanently proceed with deleting the account. As you go through this process, make sure you read anything shown on the screen before confirming, since deleting an account may affect your access to meetings, messages, files, or other connected services. If you're certain you no longer need the account, then completing these steps will finish the process. And that's it. That's how to delete your Webex account quickly and easily.